Hot ou tréa en cure joint pain. Joint forme de connexion bête ou in bonne. T'es provi de support en help you move. En idamage toute joint from disor injury quand interferuity ou mouvement en cause à l'eau of pain. Mani for condition quand lit ou pain ful joint, including osteoarthritis, rhéumatoide arthritis, bursity, goût, strain, sprin, en haute et injury. Ou un pain et extremely common. Inon national survey, abouon tir of adu reported avis joint pain 8 te past 30 day. Ni pain what most common complaint, followed by shoulderan i pain, bu joint pain quand affectant i par of your body, from your ankle en fait ou your shoulder en. Ayu jetolder, pain ful joint be comme un crin glimmer common. Joint pain quand range from mildly irritating to debilitating. It may go away after a week, acute, or last for several week or month, chronique. Even short term pain en swelling int joint quand affect your quality of life. Whatever the cause of joint pain, you can usually manage it with medication, physical therapy, or alternative treatment. Médication. For moderate to severe joint pain with swelling, en ovete cointe or prescription non stéroïdale anti-inflammatory drug, Z, quand provi de relief. Année génération of Z knonacox 2 inhibitory also good for pain relief, but exception of the drug have been removed from the market because of an increased risk of ear attack, stroke, en haute cardiovascular event. Z also can have side effect, potentially increasing your risk for gastrointestinal bleeding. If you have milder pain with two en swelling, acetaminophen can be effective. Be careful when taking anti-medicine tug, especially if you drink alcohol, because it does may cause liver damage. Because of the risk, you should take off the pain medication with caution. If your pain is so severe Z en cox de medicine are effective on ug, your doctor may prescribe a strong opioid medication. Because opioid drug can cause drowsiness, you should only use them under a doctor care. They also can cause constipation, which you can relieve by taking laxative. Ote drutama help relieve pain include. Muscle relaxant ou tréa muscle spassin, marbe uset OGT 8 z ou increased effect. Some antidépressants en antiépileptique drug, which bot interferuit pain signal. Injection. The procedure is effective, but in most situations the effect be temporary. It can also have side effect, if steroid injection mask en injury, you could overuse the joint en damage it even furte. OT injection option include. Removing fluid from the joint, en often done in connection with a steroid injection. Injection of hyaluronan, a synthetic version of the natural joint fluid. T used to treat osteoarthritis. Physical therapy. You can work with a physical therapist to strengthen muscle around the joint, stabilize the joint, and improve your range of motion. The therapist will use technique such as ultrasound, heat or cold therapy, electrical nerve stimulation, en manipulation. If you are overweight, losing weight can relieve some of the pressure on your painful joint. Exercise on effective weight to lose weight, along with diet, be careful to stick with low impact exercise tao on furte irritate te joint. Swimming and bicycling are among the best exercise because both allow you to exercise your joint with to putting impact on them. Because water is buoyant, swimming also relieve some of the pressure on your joint. Home care. You can relieve short-term joint pain with a fait simple techniques à home. On methodic non-bit l'acronion, pris. Protect te joint with a brace or bras. Reste te joint, avoiding en activity ta cause you pain. Is te joint for abou 15 minutes, several timade. Compresse te joint using en élastique bras. Elevate te joint above the level of your ear. Applying is to your painful joint can relieve te pain en inflammation. For muscle spassin around joint, tri using a eating pad or bras several timade. Your doctor may recommend you taper splint te joint to minimize mouvement or reduce pain, but avoid keeping te joint Steve for too long because it can eventually become stiff and lose function. Alternative traitement. Some research indicated that glucosamine en conduit un supplément can help with joint pain and improve function. But of the substance are component of normal cartilage, which help cushion te bone and protect joint. All took the supplement don't work for everyone, they are safe to try because they don't have any significant side effect. No matter what treatment your doctor recommend, jet medical help right away if te pain get intense, your joint suddenly become inflamed or deformed, or you can no longer use te jointal. Exercise. Regular exercise is one of the first steps you need to take to fight rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. Exercise will help reduce fatigue, strengthen muscle and increase the range of motion. Plus, it will reduce the risk of developing osteoporosis and help fight depression, which can plague anyone coping with. Three types of exercise are very helpful. Range of motion exercise should be done for at least 30 minutes a day. Strengthening exercise should be done 2 or 3 times a week. Endurance, cardio or aerobic, exercise should be done for at least 30 minutes, 3 or 4 times a week. If needed, consult an expert about to start an exercise program and which type of exercise to do and avoid.